Boost your vocabulary. 50 phrasal verbs for everyday life. Let's begin. Turn on. Turn on. Switch on. Please turn on the lights before entering the room. Turn off. Turn off. Switch off. Don't forget to turn off the stove after cooking. Put on. Put on. Wear. I need to put on my coat before we go outside. Take out. Take out. Throw away out. Can you take out the trash before it starts to smell? Break up. Break up. Separate, split up. Tom and Lisa decided to break up after 5 years of dating. Call off. Call off. Cancel. They had to call off the meeting due to scheduling conflicts. Look after. Look after. Take care of. Can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation? Look for. Look for. Search for. I'm looking for my keys, have you seen them? Pick up. Pick up. Collect. I'll pick up some groceries on my way home from work. Get up. Get up. Rise. I get up at 6 a.m. every morning to go for a run. Drop off. Drop off. Deliver. I'll drop off the package at the post office on my way to work. Let down. Let down. Disappoint. Jane felt let down when her friend didn't attend the party. Take off. Take off. Leave the ground and fly. The plane will take off in 30 minutes, so please board now. Break down. Break down. Stop working. The car broke down on the highway, and we had to call for help. Go over. Go over. Review. Let's go over the details of the plan one more time. Check in. Check in. Arrive and register at a hotel. Guests can check in at the hotel reception from 3 p.m. Check out. Check out. Leave or depart from a hotel. After breakfast, we checked out of the hotel and headed home. Turn up. Turn up. Arrive. He didn't turn up for the party, so we assumed he couldn't make it. Put off. Put off. Postpone. They decided to put off the project until next month. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Hold on a moment, I'll be with you shortly. Find out. Find out. Discover. I need to find out what time the movie starts. Point out. Point out. Indicate. Sarah pointed out the mistake in the report. Run into. Run into. Encounter or meet unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend at the grocery store yesterday. Make up. Make up. Become friends again after a quarrel or disagreement. They argued yesterday, but they made up this morning. Go out. Go out. Socialize. Let's go out for dinner tonight, I don't feel like cooking. Bring back. Bring back. Return. Can you bring back the book you borrowed last week? Look up. Look up. Search for. You can look up the definition of that word in the dictionary. Run out of. Run out of. Have no more of something. We ran out of milk, so I need to buy some more. Wake up. Wake up. Awaken. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day for work. Get along. Get along. Have a good relationship. Sarah and John get along really well at work. Turn down. Turn down. Reject. She turned down the job offer because of the low salary. Look forward to. Look forward to. Anticipate or hope for. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the party tonight. Call back. Call back. Return a phone call. I missed his call, so I need to remember to call him back. Give up. Give up. Quit. Don't give up on your dreams, keep working hard. Set up. Set up. Establish. They set up a new business together last year. Carry out. Carry out. Execute. The researchers will carry out a study on climate change. Show up. Show up. Appear. He promised to show up for the meeting on time. Get by. Get by. Survive with limited resources. It's tough, but we manage to get by with what we have. Run away. Run away. Flee. The children decided to run away from home but returned later. Take in. Take in. Allow someone to stay in a place. We decided to take in a stray cat we found outside. Bring in. Bring in. Introduce. The company plans to bring in new policies for employee safety. Look out. Look out. Be cautious. Look out. There's a car coming. Go on. Go on. Continue. The concert will go on despite the rain. Get over. Get over. Recover from. It took her a long time to get over her fear of flying. Turn in. Turn in. Go to bed. I'm tired, so I'm going to turn in early tonight. Look into. Look into. Investigate. The police will look into the matter and get back to you. Catch up. Catch up. Reach the same level. I need to catch up on my studies. I've fallen behind this week. Fill out. Fill out. Completing a task. Please fill out this form with your personal details. Thanks for watching. If you want to boost your vocabulary, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in our upcoming videos.